James here from RVS. We have one of our new SimpleSight wireless systems installed on this tractor trailer. It's a 48-foot trailer plus about 10 feet for the cab, so we have about 58 feet from the camera in the back to the monitor in the front. And we're going to take a drive with it and see how it works even on the highway at about 60-65 miles an hour. We'll take a quick walk around the tractor trailer first, to show you the camera installed on the back and then the monitor in the front. Let's take a look. As you can see, the camera is mounted all the way on the rear of the trailer, facing down so you can see the bumper as well. See, it's a pretty big situation here. Wireless systems in the past have struggled at such big distances, especially at highway speeds. So we'll take a look inside the monitor and then we'll take a drive on the highway, show you how well this new system performs, even at highway speeds. Here's a look inside the cab at the monitor installed. As you can see, it's a really easy installation. Cigarette lighter plugs right into the 12-volt port, and with the windshield mount, suction cup mount, you can mount it right to the windshield. One thing to point out with the wireless systems is that it's best to mount it above the dash. So you don't want to mount it, below the dash, near the radio, anything like that. Always best to be above the dash. It'll give you the best signal. Here we are inside the cab of this tractor trailer, and we're going to take a look at how well this system works on the highway. So we're getting on the highway and we're going to see how well this wireless system works. Okay, so we finally made it onto the highway and we're currently going just a little bit above 65 miles per hour, and as you can see, the camera system is holding up really well.